Thank you for joining me today. So today what I am going to do is I am going to share a series of tax tips that I have been preparing. I just have not been able to share with you. I share in my accounting and tax account. So if you want to learn more about taxes and how to prepare for the new tax season, if you are a tax preparer, if you have a business, if you do not know how to report your unemployment as a self-employed person or as a sole proprietorship, I am here to help. So I prepared this short presentation for you. I'm going to be sharing with you, and hopefully you'll get some benefit from it. So I call this accounting and tax. Again, if you have not joined my page, join my page, Accounting and Tax by Dr. Reyna. I will be sharing all kinds of information about taxes and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this. So our first the first advice that I can give you is declutter your direct debits and subscriptions. In other words, everything that automatically gets charged into your account, review it. If you have not needed whatever subscription you have in the past 6 months, my advice to you is cancel it. Use that money, save it, put it into whatever you want to do. But for now, this is my first one. Declutter all your debits and subscriptions. If you have not used it, cancel it. If you need assistance with that, let me know. I know sometimes we signed into magazines, we signed into different subscriptions that we may be not using them anymore. Okay, so advice number 2. Are you making full use of your employee benefits? If you are an employee, there are multiple sets of benefits that are part of what your employer offers to you. So set time to review and ask questions about how to fully utilize your benefits. Set up an appointment with your HR department or with your payroll department, whoever is the person that is responsible to explain to you what benefits do you have. I know some benefits have wellness included, where you can get money back. Some others have dental, vision. Check if you need to go and get your glasses before the end of the year, because at the end of the year, if you don't use your benefits, you lose it. That's in dental. A lot of dentals don't have the rollover, so if you don't use it, you lose it. So go get those teeth clean and smile for the holidays. Next, check your insurance contracts. Get all of your insurance contracts and find out when they renew or when they expire, so that you have time to review whether or not the insurance coverage that you have is beneficial or not. If you need any help with that, I can help you with that as well. Set up 3-week reminders in your calendar. So if your insurance is expiring in June, then go 3 months back, set it in your calendar as a reminder, set it on your phone as a reminder. So that way you are not going to be stuck in it's too late, we already roll over you, we already re-enrolled you in the auto renewal, and you're stuck with whatever insurance policy this company is offering to you. So my advice to you, set up 3-week reminder on your calendar. Never settle for auto renewal. Next advice, are you meeting all of your savings goals? In the beginning of the year, especially in January, we set out resolutions and we say, we're going to work out this year. We're going to save money. We're going to travel the world. We set up all kinds of different goals. And one of the goals is savings. So are you meeting those goals? And if you are not meeting those goals, here's my advice. Split your earnings into pots. Reaching small goals will give you momentum. So if you start and you say, I am going to start saving 10% of my income, and you automatically set it up from your bank account so you never see it. Once you are saving that small amount of 10%, that'll give you momentum and you will start to accomplish all of your other goals. Who knows? Maybe you will end up losing weight as well. Renew your life insurance policy. I did not include this one with your other insurance because your life insurance is very important. You don't buy life insurance because the government requires it from you. You don't buy life insurance because you have excess money. You buy life insurance because you care for your loved ones, because you want to make sure that they're well taken care of after you pass. And so for that reason, it's very important that you review that your insurance policy is meeting all those needs. If you need help in this area, reach out to me. I will be more than happy to review your current policy or to help you with a new policy. It's very important. And because you have a life insurance policy because you care, not because you need to, but because you care. And I appreciate that about you. Thank you. And so that's why. Set some time aside. Set some time aside. Make sure that your insurance policy is up to date. Make sure that your insurance policy it's ensuring everything that you want it to do. And if not, then renew it or modify it. Do you know the amount of time you have been in the electoral register affects your credit score? I'm going to say that again. Do you know that the amount of time you have been on the electoral register affects your credit score? What that means is the amount of time that you have been registered to vote affects your credit score. That's shocking, huh? Yes, but that is one simple way to increase your credit. So if you have children that are under the age of 18 and they have not registered, register them, because the amount of time that they are in the electoral register, it's going to increase their credit. That's one of the components. So register to vote. It's an easy way to set yourself for a good financial future. Do that for your children. If you can get them a credit card, if you cannot give them money to increase their credit score, at least enroll them in the electoral. That will help them in their financial future. Review your lines of credit. This is the time that we are like charging the credit cards left and right. Gifts for grandma, gifts for the aunts, gift for the teachers, gift for this, gift for that, right? But this is a perfect time for you to take all of your credit cards, review them, reconcile, pay the ones with the higher interest. If you need help in this area, reach out to me, please, because it's very important that you reconcile all your credit cards. There are programs available to you at no charge, just so that you can reconcile your credit cards. And then, yes, spend the money on the ones that have the lower, or if you need to spend the money to buy gifts for everybody, don't forget me. So then spend it, but then reconcile all your accounts. Make sure in that you see, I can pay off this, I can pay off that, I can pay off that, and I'm here to help. Okay, so that's my second step. One more piece of advice. Do you know where all the money went? That's the question that everybody's asking. What happened to all the money in 2020? Revise your budget. That's my advice. Revise your budget. Find out where all the money that you brought into the house went. Did you pay bills? Did you overspend on toilet paper? Couldn't return the toilet paper? Where all the money went? And so that's where I have created a document that it will be in the accounting and tax website, Facebook page. I'm going to link it in there as well as in the as on the website. But this budget, it's a simple budget. It's a simple one-page budget document that I will give to you. It will be my gift to you so that you can revise and create a budget for yourself. With that budget, you will be able to see what happened to all the money. Where do you spend all the money in 2020? And how can you make adjustments for the new 2021? One great thing. I know that around Christmas, everybody wants to contribute to the church. Everybody wants to give out gifts. Everybody wants to, they have this spirit of charitable contributions, right? If you are a sole proprietorship, or if you have a business, if you receive a 1099, all your donations are tax deductible. They can save you thousands of dollars in taxes. So contribute. Make sure you check with me if you have any doubts or any concerns, or are unsure on how to make sure that those charitable contributions are being tax deductible. So I will help you with that, and I will help you also find an organization that you can use to save those thousands in taxes. Okay, but don't be shy. Donate if you feel in your heart that you want to donate. Charitable contributions are always good for the soul, but they are also good for your business. Now, looking for ways to save money? Get my free book, 52 Ways to Save Money. The link is below here. Claim your free book. It has 52 ways, and those 52 ways are just the beginning. I'm not bringing up anything new. I am just presenting all this information through the lenses of today. The lenses of today that make it seem like it's something new, but it's something that you've been doing all your life. I'm just compilating all those 52 ways to save money so that you can start saving money and start finding other ways that you can save money. And you can send me feedback. So you can send me feedback and say, hey, I found the 53 way, I found the 54 way, I found 10 more ways to save money. Send them over to me and I will add them to our book. Another way to save thousands of dollars in taxes, if you are a self-employed person, a sole proprietorship, or have a business, it's all your employee bonuses. You know, all those wonderful employees that are always there on time, that are the best person that whenever you need something, you think of that employee and you are thinking, I wish I can give that employee a bonus. Okay, so if you give that employee a bonus before December 31st, don't be a Grinch. Don't be a Mr. Scrooge. If you are not trying to be Mr. Scrooge and you want to give employee bonuses, then those bonuses can also be tax deductible. Check out with me and I will help you figure it out. And you can give that special employee an employee bonus that can help you, that will save you thousands of dollars in your tax return next year. Another way that you as a business owner, as a solopreneur, as an entrepreneur, can save money, it's on the employees' Christmas party. The employee Christmas party is a part of a benefit that you can give to your employees, and that can also save you money. So reach out to me. I have way more other ideas that I'm not going to put them all in here, but this is just some of the ideas that I'm going to put up in here. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information, it's in the link below. Make sure you like my Facebook page, Accounting and Tax, and make sure you go to my website and subscribe to receive new updates whenever I put them on. I said I was going to be putting up every day, but every day sometimes is impossible. So this short presentation, I just wanted to have this short presentation to you so that you have money in the front of your head in this time when you're going out and trying to buy and trying to save all those monies. So thank you so much for your time. I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas season, and I am here to help you in any way I can. I hope you have a great time. Thank you so much for joining me.